Hi people, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at the community question which says, which of these is not a fruit? And as you can see from your screen, 6% of you said tomato, cucumber got 52%, fig got 10%, and potato fruit got 32%. Now of course, this isn't a straightforward question. Generally on this channel I put like little tricks and little weird things in the community question. This is no exception. So first of all, we have to ask ourselves what a fruit is. So fruit is the fleshy ripened ovary of a flowering plant. Angiosperm is another name for a flowering plant. So what happens is you have a flower, something like an insect comes on and it pollinates it, basically grabs pollen from another flower, takes it to there, and then you form a pollen tube down to the ovary, and then the ovary ripens and it forms a seed. Now this seed is then encased in this fleshy tissue that's ripe to be eaten by an animal. Okay, and what that does is it does seed dispersal for the plant. So the actual plant wants an animal to eat its fruit. So ultimately you got like a fleshy material, seeds on the inside. Tomato, of course, is a fruit. Some people think it's a vegetable, but it is indeed a fruit. Cucumber, that is also a fruit, because if you chop a cucumber, you got seeds on the inside and it's surrounded by flesh. Then you got the two tricky ones, fig and potato fruit. And of course, everyone thinks a fig is a fruit. Spoiler alert, it isn't. And a potato fruit, you see, the thing is, the potato itself is the root of the potato plant, right? It's a tuber thing. And the potato plant actually has flowers, so you have potato flowers, and this potato flower can bear potato fruit. They look kind of like green tomatoes, but they are poisonous, so I would not suggest that you eat them. So a potato fruit is different to the potato, which is the root of the plant that we eat. So potato fruit is indeed a fruit, as the name suggests. So that leaves a fig. Now the thing about the fig is the fig actually exists as a fruit before pollination occurs. The reason for that is it's not a fruit at all. It's actually a specialized flower designed to be pollinated by wasps. So inside you actually got like a cluster of flowers inside the fruit, and what happens is a wasp goes in underneath, a special type of wasp called a fig wasp, and it basically lays its eggs, they hatch, and the male wasp impregnates its sisters, and then the sisters hatch, and then the sisters carry pollen with it, escape from the fig, and then go into another fig. So actually it isn't a fruit, it's actually a Syconium inflorescens, which is a specialized type of flower. But it is fleshy. But that fleshiness is actually the stem of the plant. So there we are. It's fig. Fig is not a fruit. It's a Syconium inflorescens. Hope you learned something. It just goes to show most people don't know feces about science.